stillness before the day begins. Every rack, every pallet, every aisle holds untapped potential. Hidden in plain sight, the secret pathways that dictate the heartbeat of your entire operation. As the first trailers roll in, the dock doors become a crossroads of opportunity and a battleground of bottlenecks. Congested staging areas stall the receiving process, and unseen delays ripple across your schedule. But what if the path from dock to slot were as precise as a well-choreographed symphony, where every movement flows without hesitation? Too often, inbound goods wander in search of a home. Pallets are broken down or reconfigured, each extra touch a hidden tax on your labor. Imagine replacing that friction with flow, instantaneous handoffs from receiving to put away, guided by data rather than guesswork. The result? Immediate productivity savings you can see on your bottom line. Slotting optimization isn't mere rearrangement. It's a calculated masterpiece where every SKU sits in the exact place that maximizes velocity, minimizes travel, and respects ergonomics. By analyzing SKU velocities, order profiles, handling requirements, and zone logic, you transform your warehouse into a data-driven cathedral of efficiency, unlocking better space utilization that defers costly expansions. Selectors once spent half their shift on the move, chasing orders through endless aisles. Every extra step costs time and money. By clustering high-velocity items in activity zones, you reclaim those steps and collapse travel distances. The payoff? Fewer hours on the forklift and more accurate picks, elevating safety and customer satisfaction in one swift move. Dead space is wasted capital. Unseen gaps in your cube hide a fortune in unrealized capacity. Strategic slotting reshapes your footprint, fitting more product into the same square footage and squeezing value from every inch. Better use of space means fewer bottlenecks and a cleaner, more organized floor plan. Congestion at inbound and outbound docks is more than an annoyance. It's a cascade of delays that threatens your throughput. When every SKU knows its place, staging areas clear like tidal waters receding, revealing a calm, orderly flow that powers every subsequent process. Miscalculated slots breed mispicks. Mispicks breed returns. Returns breed customer dissatisfaction. Ergonomic slotting, respecting weight, fragility, and handling, fortifies accuracy and shields teams from injury. Safety and precision go hand in hand, creating a culture of excellence on your floor. Markets shift. SKUs ebb and flow. A static warehouse buckles under change. But a slotting system that continuously reoptimizes, modeling scenarios, predicting spikes, and adapting on the fly, becomes your reliable compass in a sea of volatility. Scalable growth isn't a dream. It's the new norm. It starts with one move and ripples through every process. From the moment a truck docks to the second a pallet departs, strategic slotting unleashes a domino effect. These can be referred to as the 5 main benefits of implementing a warehouse optimization system: reduced labor costs, optimized space, dissolved congestion, heightened accuracy, and a foundation built for growth. Ready to uncover the hidden potential in your operation? Let's in Context's Ustream warehouse optimization system shine a light on every inefficiency and guide you to a smarter, faster, safer warehouse. No guesswork. No fluff. Just data-driven insights that deliver results. Get your free opportunity estimate today at www.syncontext.com/get started. Because excellence begins with one optimized slot.